Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have something really special, the 2026 Tesla Model Y Juniper, showcased in 3 stunning colors, all side by side and ready for delivery. Right in the center we have the striking deep blue metallic. On the left is the elegant pearl white multicoat, and on the right, the sleek stealth gray. Let's take a closer look at each one. Let's start with the pearl white multicoat. Look at its clean, sophisticated front design, the bold lines, and that signature Tesla grille-less nose. It really stands out in bright white. Now, moving to the deep blue metallic in the center. The color really pops under the light, giving it a premium dynamic look, while the sleek front fascia highlights Tesla's modern styling. And on the right, we have the stealth gray. Its subtle, understated elegance gives the Model Y a stealthy, futuristic vibe, perfect for anyone who loves a classy, low-key presence. Here we have the pearl white multicoat, starting with the 19-inch crossflow wheels. Sleek, modern, and perfectly designed to complement the Model Y's lines. Slowly moving along the side, you can see the full side profile showcasing its elegant curves and unmistakable Tesla styling. Next, the deep blue metallic. The color really accentuates the Model Y's dynamic shape. From the front fender to the rear wheel, the smooth curves and flowing roofline give it a sporty yet refined appearance. And finally, the stealth gray. Its subtle, understated tone highlights the design details beautifully. Here's the rear of the pearl white multicoat. Notice the clean lines and signature Tesla taillights. From above you can see how the roof and rear flow seamlessly, giving the Model Y a balanced and elegant profile. Now, the deep blue metallic rear. The sleek taillights and smooth bumper really stand out, and as you can see, it's charging here, combining Tesla's practical functionality with its stylish design. Finally, the stealth gray rear. Its subtle, refined tone highlights the futuristic design, with a look that's both sophisticated and sporty. Each color gives the Model Y its own character, making every choice a standout.